Eliza, what kind of bag is that?
Bag.
Bag. But what's on the bag?
Puppy.
Puppy, yeah. What's in there? What's in there? Want some help taking it out? Want some help? Here, let's rip it. You can rip a bag and then open it. This is really hard to do with one hand. You looking in your other bag? What's in there? What's in there? You want to see your other bag? These are your Christmas presents. Oh, what is it? I need you to film because I can't do it and help her open. What is it? Show Daddy. Is that a princess? A princess movie called Cinderella. Okay, help Mommy open this. Here you go. Can you take it out? What's that? Whoa. What are these? Can you open it? What is it? Panda bear. What else is there?
Giraffe.
Good
Wow,
job.
good job, Eliza.
Good. You want to see what's funny about these? Is you can take their legs off. And then you can put new legs on there. Look, the poor panda bear doesn't have legs. Now we have to give him legs. Does he want giraffe legs? Let's give the panda bear giraffe legs for fun. Bye. Here you go. What's this now? It's a panda with giraffe legs.
Good.
Now let's give the giraffes panda legs.
Oh, that's bright. She's like glowing.
Bye.